Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Thrush here. Just wanted to give you a tutorial about how to tune your own instrument when you're not near me to help you. First thing that you're going to need is obviously your instrument, and I really strongly suggest if you have a device that you're able to download an app on to get a tuner that has something like this, which is a shifting needle that shows whether or not you're on pitch, or it has maybe it lights up different colors, green for good, yellow for close, red for really out of tune, something like that. I just went, since I have a Samsung, I went to the Play Store and I was able to search violin tuner, or you can type in cello tuner, or whatever your instrument is. So if you're an Apple user, just go to the App Store and do the same thing to search. So the one thing you want to make sure that it has is the ability to show you when it's close and when it's right on pitch. There are some tuners that may just play the sound of the note for you, and if you have a good ear and you're able to tell whether your pitch of your string is high or low or right on pitch, then that's fine. But if you want something that's going to help you, and I strongly suggest this for all of you, I really suggest something that's going to show you whether it's in tune or not. So once you get your tuner downloaded, or you can go to YouTube, and like I said, though YouTube won't have the ability to listen to your string pitch and gauge its intonation, YouTube can at least give you the pitch sound to play and confirm and judge whether your note matches it or not. So to start, what you'll do is make sure you have your instrument, whether it's your cello sitting out like this in front of you, or your bass turned sideways, or your violin or viola kind of on your lap. You want your left hand to be holding the instrument, and your thumb is going to be plucking the string. Now, when you pluck, we always pluck consistently. You want to watch to see if it's close. Now, you should be able to tell that this A is flat. It is not at the A yet, still in the range of a G sharp. So you want to righty-tighty, think of that phrase, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. When you tighten a string, it's going to pull it more taut and it's going to raise the pitch. Similarly, or contrastingly, if you loosen the string, lefty-loosey, it's going to lower the pitch. So since I want to raise the pitch of my string, I'm going to pluck, and I will watch my tuner as it goes, and I don't think I can do this at the same time. No, I can't. So I'm going to turn to the right, turn it to the right clockwise. Until I get to my A. And now you'll see I'm right on that A. So then you go through and you do that for each string. Now, the way that you're turning these tuners, you want to turn the things that I'm telling you to turn clockwise or counterclockwise are the fine tuners. Cellos have them down below the bridge, just like violins and violas. Basses, yours are a little bit different because your pegs up here are called machine pegs or machine head pegs, and they turn very smoothly with a gear system. So you can do it right from your big pegs up top. But cellos, violins, and violas use these pegs to turn fine tuners to turn small motions to the right to sharpen, or to the left to loosen and lower. So that's all there is to it. If you do find that you have some kind of tuning issue where you are so far out of tune, or your instrument, your string is super flabby and it's really loose and it's barely even making a sound, then you'll want to watch my next tutorial, which helps you know how to turn your pegs carefully and cautiously so you don't accidentally snap and break a string. But that's all for today with tuning your instrument with fine tuners. Good luck, and make sure to come to all your sectionals and orchestra practices with your instrument already in tune. Thanks.